severe flooding was reported in sections of St. Ann. Shamela Pullen has our story.
A river on the border of St. Ann and Clarendon has overflowed its banks, inundating yards and causing widespread flooding that has left several communities cut off. The main roads into Cape Valley and Union Town are now impassable, with floodwaters completely submerging sections of the roadway. Residents remain marooned in their homes as conditions continue to worsen.
Union Town is actually in Clarendon, but the river starts in Clarendon and runs down to a culminates and settles right there in Cape Valley. We anticipate that the area will be flooded, and from what I gather, it has already flooded, which is normal. So people are aware to stay away from that area. And the only thing we can say in that area is let it dry out.
Mayor of St. Anne's Bay, Michael Belnavy, says the flooding is linked to the natural terrain of the area rather than poor drain maintenance, making the situation difficult to control.
There's nothing that you can do as far as drain cleaning to mitigate against that particular episode. So it is one of those episodes where you just hope for the best, watch it, and as soon as it is complete, you analyze it, see how, make sure that there are no damages or minimize it, and at the same time you work with the individuals who may have got dislocated because the waters will rise up to the level of some business people, homes, those places that have agricultural farms.
Authorities are closely monitoring the situation and will have to wait for water levels to recede before road access can be restored. In the meantime, adequate supplies have been secured for residents sheltering in emergency facilities across the parish.
What we have done is we usually give these items out once we get a count as to how many people are in the shelters. Last night, we give supplies to the Orchard Center and other centers across the parish with mats and towel blankets, toilet paper and so on, napkins, and we have provided some semblance of food. I know this